Hey there. When I started to look into places to stay in the Florida Keys, Three Waters Resort in Islamorada came up, but I could find very little information about it. We took the gamble and booked it, and now hopefully this helps you decide if it's right for you.
So first of all, this is a relatively new Marriott property. I think it's an older property that was recently acquired by Marriott and refurbished, and they've done a great job. Um, Really, the only, I don't know what I want to say complaint, but the room's pretty small. We have a king size bed in the Cove area, which is the 21 and older, which is lovely. But the room's a little tight, not a lot of storage, no dresser with drawers, small closet, just really a little cramped. But there are other room types here that we could have gotten a larger room, and we just didn't. So if we come back, which I hope we do, we'll go for one of those junior suites or something with just a little bit more space. But overall, the property is beautiful. Beautiful landscaping, beautiful pools, just a really nice resort atmosphere, and great service. Everything from check-in, where we got a welcome drink with a little bit of rum punch, which was delicious. You could taste the rum, but it wasn't overly strong because, well, I don't care for strong drinks. So that worked out well for me. If you're looking for a strong drink, go to the bar. And there are several bars around the property. We went a couple of times to the Hideaway, which is the bar right here at the Cove, and got some really nice drinks, exactly the way we wanted it, so perfect. We also got a couple of lunches here, which were delicious. So, like any Marriott, it's a little pricey, but at least it was good. And overall, we had a great time just walking around the property. We're here the first week of February, and it's been unusually cold. So while it's been beautiful, it's been a little too chilly to get in the water. So we did not actually go into any of the pools. Mostly we just hung out on our balcony, looking out over the pool and into the water. Really some phenomenal views here. And from our room here, like I said, we're in the Cove, where I forget if it was called an ocean front room or ocean view room, but we have a beautiful view of the sunrise in the morning, which was nice, because we could just go out actually could just sit in bed and watch it, or could go out on our balcony. But if you stay here at this resort in a room that doesn't have a sunrise view, you can go over to a point. It's actually called Sunrise Point, and beautiful views from there as well. If you're looking for a sunset view, if you're not an early riser, at the other end of the property, over by the marina, there's some decent sunset views. I think there's probably better around Islamorada, but if you're looking for a sunset view here on property, head over to the marina, and it's still quite beautiful. They did have some live music last night, but it was super cold and super windy, so we did not sit and watch him play. But he was really good, and bummer we didn't have better weather, but can't blame Marriott for that. Anyway, yeah, the bathroom amenities were lovely. In the shower, there was shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. It said that it was seawater was the fragrance. It was a pretty light fragrance, so I think if you're a girl or a guy, you'll be happy with it. It's a pretty light scent, and a little on the, I don't know, fruity or citrusy side. It was lovely. Again, a tight bathroom, but enough shelf space for our stuff, and yeah, I would I'd love to come back, but I would get a bigger room next time. But anyway, that's all from here. Thanks. Bye.